Renaissance Portrait by Vladimir London.
In this video, you'll discover how to make a mixed media artwork.
This video lesson is special. Here, you will learn how to turn a watercolor painting into a mixed media artwork. I will show you how to do it using the example of this picture. Let's say you have spent a lot of time designing a beautiful composition and would like to make a really great watercolor artwork. But during painting, something happened not as intended, and you realized that this piece you put so much effort into has been ruined. Watercolor is an unforgiving medium. Fixing mistakes by painting over them is not always possible. So, what to do, and how to fix a watercolor that went beyond repair? To show you what can be done, I decided to make this painting. I will do it in watercolor first, and later show you a few techniques that might save your piece of art. To begin with, I'm making a very light watercolor wash with a blue color. After this wash, I'll wait for the paper to become totally dry. Then, I pre-mix 5 different colors, and now I'm using these colors to add the second layer of the randomly designed variegated wash.